Okay, I fell in love with one of my videos. I was dramatic Taylor Swift, and I just love that. So now I'm gonna just do it. I remember when we broke up. This time we had enough. It's like we haven't seen each other in a month. When you said you needed space. What? Then you come around again and say, baby, I miss you and I swear I'm gonna change. Trust me, remember the back for a day. I said, okay, you call me, we break up, you call me, I love you.
Okay, now I'm blushing on my lipstick. Welcome back to my tea.
Wasn't certain blushing, a little bit of a surprise for you. We're going to okay?
You're not gonna propose, are you?
No.
In that case, I like
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a special treat for you tonight to make your happy hour just a little happier.
Talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. I never ever ever get back together like ever. I used to say that we were forever ever, and I used to say never say never. So he calls me up and he's like, I still love you, and I'm like, this is getting exhausting. We're never getting back together, like ever. Oh, we are never, ever, ever get back together. We are never, ever, ever get back together. You go talk to your friends, talk my friends, talk to me. But we are never,
this one is
ever get back together. Yeah. I remember when my phone down, where's my I cannot. You haven't seen each other in a month. Like you said you needed. What? 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 Once again, say, maybe I miss you. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching our favorite pigeons, spinning out the dark. Finally, I can feel good stuff cool. Go ahead and tell me out and I'll lay you down. See how I leave everything fine. Go on, grab a fruit, grab a fruit. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching out for the pigeons, spinning out the dark. Scars of your love keep me tender. Can't help feeling like we understand it all.